Hello and welcome to another episode of Tech Chronicles, your one-stop destination for all things tech. Today we're embarking on a virtual journey through the digital landscape packed with quick and actionable tech hacks that will supercharge your user experience. From smartphone sorcery to software shortcuts, we're here to help you unlock your gadget's full potential. So strap in and prepare for an enlightening ride into the world of tech hacks. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and get ready to elevate your digital prowess to new heights. Starting with our first tip, let's dive into some battery-saving hacks for your smartphone. One of the best ways to preserve battery life is to enable your phone's battery saver mode. This feature often reduces the power consumption of your device by limiting background activity and reducing screen brightness. Speaking of brightness, another hack is to manually adjust your screen's brightness to the lowest comfortable level, as the screen is one of the most energy-consuming components of your phone. Now let's talk wallpapers. Dynamic or live wallpapers might look cool, but they can drain your battery faster than static ones, so consider switching to static wallpapers to save some juice. Lastly, turn off unnecessary features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services when not in use. These services can demand a lot of power, especially when running in the background. With these battery-saving hacks, you'll definitely see a boost in your smartphone's battery life. Next up, we have some keyboard shortcuts that will make typing a breeze. Whether you're working on a Mac, a Windows PC, or a Chromebook, these little tricks can shave off precious seconds and boost your productivity. Let's start with some universal shortcuts. Ctrl+C or Command+C for copy, Ctrl+V or Command+V for paste, and Ctrl+X or Command+X for cut. These three are the holy grail of keyboard shortcuts, helping you move text around swiftly. Next, the find function, triggered by Ctrl+F or Command+F, can save you countless hours searching through documents. For those on Windows, Ctrl+Z is your best friend for undoing mistakes, while Ctrl+Y will redo your last action. Mac users, you'll use Command+Z and Command+Shift+Z for the same. And finally, the Select All shortcut, Ctrl+A or Command+A, is a lifesaver when you need to grab everything in a document or web page. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these shortcuts, the faster your typing speed will be. Now let's move on to optimizing your home Wi-Fi setup for a smoother, more seamless internet experience. First things first, location is key. Your router should be positioned centrally in your home, preferably in an elevated position free from obstructions. This allows the Wi-Fi signal to spread evenly across your space. Next, let's talk about Wi-Fi channels. Most routers automatically select a channel for you, but these channels can become congested, leading to slower internet speeds. By manually changing the channel on your router, you can avoid interference and get the best performance. And remember, different devices may perform better on different channels, so don't be afraid to experiment to find the best fit for your setup. For those living in larger homes or dealing with pesky Wi-Fi dead zones, Wi-Fi extenders can be a lifesaver. These devices amplify your Wi-Fi signal, extending its reach to those hard-to-reach corners of your home. Lastly, ensure your router's firmware is always up to date. Manufacturers often release updates to improve performance and security, so it's crucial to keep your router's software current. Wi-Fi optimization might seem like a daunting task, but with these simple steps, you can significantly improve your home internet experience. With an optimized Wi-Fi setup, you'll enjoy a smoother, stronger internet connection. We've unlocked the secrets to a seamless online experience, right from the comfort of your home. For the photography enthusiasts out there, we have some tips to enhance your smartphone photography. Ready to turn your smartphone into a pocket-sized professional camera? Let's get started. First off, did you know about the grid lines feature? This tool, based on the rule of thirds, helps balance your shot and align your subjects for a more aesthetically pleasing result. So next time you're framing that perfect sunset or portrait, turn on grid lines for a little extra guidance. Now, onto a tip that's often overlooked but can make all the difference: cleaning your lens. Our phones are exposed to a lot, from fingerprints to dust, and this can affect image quality. A quick wipe with a soft cloth before you start snapping can do wonders for clarity. Next up, natural light. It's your best friend in smartphone photography. Whenever possible, use the sun's light instead of your phone's flash for a more natural, evenly lit shot. Remember, the golden hours just after sunrise and just before sunset offer particularly flattering light. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with your phone's different camera modes. Many smartphones offer a plethora of options, from panorama to portrait mode, each giving your photos a unique look and feel. Try these tips out and watch your smartphone photos transform from good to great. Lastly, let's touch on some cloud storage tips for better file management. Cloud storage is a fantastic tool for storing, organizing, and accessing your files from anywhere. The first tip is to create a consistent file naming system. By using a logical and systematic approach, you'll be able to locate your files easily. Second, make use of folders and subfolders for organization. This will help you segregate your files according to their purpose or project. Now let's talk about data safety. Always back up your files. Most cloud storage services offer automatic backup features. Use them. Also, enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. This means even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to access your files without the second verification step. Remember, managing your files in the cloud is not just about storage, it's about ease of access, organization, and security. With these cloud storage tips, managing your files will be a piece of cake. That's all for today's episode of Tech Chronicles. We've uncovered some great tech hacks, from saving smartphone battery life to enhancing your gadget performance. But remember, this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for our upcoming documentary diving into the fascinating world of tech companies and personalities. We're excited to take you on this journey, exploring the minds and mechanisms behind our digital world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the Tech Chronicles community for more tech hacks and tips. See you in the next video.